Seal and maintain pressure on the cooling system for vehicle safety. Raise the boiling point of the engine coolant to maintain efficiency. Fit most models of GM vehicles for expanded coverage. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMO. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Certainty starts here. ACDelco maintenance and repair parts are tested to rigorous standards and backed by GM so you and your vehicle can go the distance. Top reviews from the United States. P.S.I rating listed. Love these ohm-style caps. Gives you P.S.I rating, and ACDelco's always a plus in my book. I hate the style caps that come with cheaper aftermarket radiators. Replaced on a 2001 GMC Jimmy and 98C 1500.